Kids Learning House.
This is a football. This is an apple. The kids are playing football. Do you know why we are using a, an, and the in these sentences? All these are called as articles in English grammar. Articles are words that appear before nouns to indicate if the noun is specific or general. Here, we have used a, an, and the to point out noun football, apple, and kids. Let's understand when we can use a in the sentence. We use a before a singular noun that start with a consonant sound. There are 21 consonants in English as below. Let's understand this with the help of examples. A tree. Here, the word tree starts with the consonant T. A car. Here, the word car starts with the consonant C. A dog. Here, the word dog starts with the consonant D. Now let's understand when we can use an in the sentence. We use an before a singular noun that start with a vowel sound. There are 5 vowels in English as below. Let's understand this with the help of examples. An elephant. Here, the word elephant starts with the vowel E. An igloo. Here, the word igloo starts with the vowel I. An umbrella. Here, the word umbrella starts with the vowel U. Now let's understand when we can use the in the sentence. We used the to indicate a specific noun or group of nouns. For example, when someone says, I saw a beautiful flower in the garden. Here, garden is a specific noun for which we are using the as an article. There are 20 mangoes in the basket. Here, basket is a specific noun for which we are using the as an article. The cat is napping on the couch. Here, cat and couch are specific nouns for which we are using the as an article. Now let's see if you can complete the following fill in the blanks. Dash ocean waves are soothing. She's listening to dash interesting podcast. She's reading dash newspaper. Dash I have a dream to travel dash world. He caught dash fish in dash lake. I found dash key on dash table. We hope you all have given correct answers. You can check out the correct answers in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for watching more such videos.